Jordan, AI isn't just hype anymore, it's exploding. From basic narrow chatbots to models reasoning deeply, creating art, videos, and code from scratch. Understanding images, video, audio all at once, acting like autonomous agents that plan and execute complex tasks. In 2026, we're deep into multimodal and agentic AI, handling everything together and getting things done step by step.
Wait, agentic? You mean AI that actually does stuff independently? How did it get this advanced so quickly?
Exactly. Early AI was super narrow, one trick only. Now it's approaching general intelligence in many areas. Huge context windows, tool use, real-time web access. The pace is wild. Massive data, better algorithms, insane compute power. Breakthroughs drop every few months. It's a rapid evolution.
Okay, wow. But why should everyday people like me actually care? Beyond fancy demos, what's the massive real-world importance?
Huge transformation. It skyrockets productivity, automating repetitive tasks so you can focus on creative work. Jobs evolve. Doctors get faster diagnoses. Teachers tailor lessons. Companies optimize like never before. Creativity booms. Writers smash blocks. Artists spark wild ideas. Learning explodes, explaining tough topics simply. Big global wins. Speeding drug discovery. Better climate predictions. Personalized education worldwide. It's basically a genius collaborator for everyone.
That sounds amazing, but isn't it kind of scary too? Like jobs vanishing? Or AI messing up ethically, going rogue?
Totally fair concerns. People worry about that a lot. Yes, some jobs automate and shift, but history shows new roles pop up. On ethics, labs are obsessed with safety, alignment, transparency, red teaming. The real importance is guiding it responsibly for massive good.
All right, you've got me hooked on the potential. So what are the best free eyes I can try right this second? Strictly 100% free, no trials, no credit card, no hidden costs.
Love it. Here are the top completely free ones rocking February 2026. All instant access with just email. Google Gemini at gemini.google.com. Often the strongest free overall. Killer reasoning, image/video generation, search baked in, huge limits. Claude at claude.ai, free sonnet access. Unbeatable for thoughtful writing, coding, long detailed responses. ChatGPT at chatgpt.com. Free tier with versatile models. Great chatting, brainstorming, voice features. Grok at grok.x.ai or on X. Free tier. Real-time info from X. Fun bold style. Image gen included. Perplexity at perplexity.ai. Free search powerhouse. Accurate answers with sources. Perfect research. Sign up in seconds. No card ever.
So many solid free options, but how do I actually start without getting lost? Give me the dead simple steps. Assume zero tech experience.
Promise. Super straightforward. Go straight to the sites. Gemini.google.com, Claude.ai, ChatGPT.com, Grok.x.ai, Perplexity.ai. Sign up free, email or Google account. Done in seconds. Start typing prompts immediately. Try. Explain quantum physics like I'm 12, or plan my week healthy meals. Dive deeper. Upload pics in Gemini/Claude for analysis. Get cited sources in Perplexity. Real-time news via Grok. Practice daily. Specific detailed prompts equals amazing results. Totally free, no limits traps.
This is mind-blowing. AI feels totally doable. Now, last question, what's coming next? In a year or two?
Even more insane, super autonomous agents, seamless multimodality, AI that truly understands you personally. But the best move? Jump in free today. Experiment, learn, help shape it.
Yes, thanks, Alex. I'm starting tonight. AI just went from scary to exciting.
Anytime. Let's all explore this revolution together.